foundation day ng Puerto Princesa. Kaya wala kaming pasok. Tapos magla-live ako ng 3, ba't kasi hindi ko tinuloy? Nagising naman ako sa alarm. Pinatay ko lang ulit, tas tulog. Nice. Nice. Nandito yung Cup of Joe, guys. Mamaya kakanta sila sa foundation ng Puerto. Ano year ka na? 3rd year. College. Hello. Hello, Toji. Kaya nga, konting ang tawag dito, konting push through na lang, be. Magpupush through na talaga kami lang. Hello, Gar. Yes. Konting kembot na lang. Actually, patapos na yung namin. Yung first time namin, this March. December graduation namin, be. Sana, tuloy-tuloy na to, be. Hello, Mr. D. Thank you for the 100 taps. Hello, Mr. Copy ko. Hello, ID number. Hello, Paul. Hello, CRN. Tropical. Hello, Ismael. Hello, Russell. Ikaw na naman, be. Alangan hindi ako magdaldal dito. Divine. Hello, Jay. Thank you for tapping, ZRN. Thank you for tapping. Thank you for tapping. Hindi ko mabasa yung username mo. Thank you for tapping. Hello, Tino. Good vibes. Yes. Aga mo ata. Mr. D, oo, ang aga ko, be. Wala kasing pasok. Eh, di mag-live na lang ako ng morning. Divine. Nag-coffee na ba kayo, guys? Kasi ang aga pa eh. Hello, Ace. Na naman, bibibigyo lang ko. Hindi naman ako galit, Russell. Mukha ba akong galit? Hello. Guys, super random ng day na to. Pero thankful ako dahil walang pasok. Makapagpahinga naman kami. Pero ito pa din, grind. Mag-night market ka mamaya? Yes! Mag-night market kami mamaya. Di ko alam. Kasi may Cup of Joe nga. Tapos coronation night ng Miss Puerto. Miss Puerto ba? Di mo ba ma-search? Na-search mo ni Shu. Ano man kami, mutuals na kami ni Shu. Na-search niya. Cut kasi yung ko. Cut yung, ang tawag dito, profile. Cut na may cut. Hello, honeybee. Yun yung ko. Tapos private account siya, guys. Hello, Marlene. Masa-search mo yun. Masa-search mo yun. Promise. Hello, Dex Clyde. Nanonood ako ng series, guys. Pero babatiin pa rin kayo. Kahit
Worst thing I ever saw, I think, was Jay.
What does she do for a living?
hello,
She's
stability.
Was a teacher. They all loved her.
That's what
Were you
I
expecting
need.
her overtime?
Stability.
No. Why?
Well, she packed her up like
Ano
that.
ka ba? Hello,
that
I
makes
know.
sense. She's class tomorrow. She wouldn't just leave without saying.
That's what I felt.
Excuse me.
Hello. Hindi ko talaga
It's
ma-search.
bad.
Totoo ba?
And her finger's so tight, I almost didn't see it.
Saglit nga lang, screenshot ko para sa'yo. Wait lang, Blue Marlin. Wait lang, mali ata. Ay, wait lang. Ito pala. Ayan na. Titignan ko kasi.